Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, January the 23rd. And I'm coming here because I thought someone may need to hear this morning. This is our daily bread. You can actually get these sent to your home. But this message today is waiting with the turtle. Every fall, when the painted turtle senses winter coming, she dives to the bottom of her pond, burying herself in the muck and mud. She pulls into her shell and goes still. Her rate slows, almost stopping. Her body temperature drops, staying just above freezing. She stops breathing and she waits. For 6 months, she stays buried, and her body releases calcium from her bones into her bloodstream so that she slowly begins even to lose her shape. But when the pond thaws, she will float up and breathe again. Her bones will reform, and she will feel the warmth of the sun on her shell. I think of the painted turtle when I read the psalmist's description of waiting for God. The psalmist is in a slimy pit of mud and mire, but God hears him. God lifts him out and gives him a firm place to stand. God is my help and my deliverer, he sings. That's in verse 17. Perhaps it feels like you've been waiting forever for something to change, for a new direction in your career, for a relationship to be restored, for the willpower to break a bad habit, or for deliverance from a difficult situation. The painted turtle and the psalmist are here to remind us to trust in God. He hears and he will deliver. Amy Peterson. Oh my goodness. I'm going to read that again. Perhaps it feels like you've been waiting forever for something to change, for a new direction in your career, for a relationship to be restored, for the willpower to break a bad habit, or for deliverance from a difficult situation. The painted turtle and the psalmist are here to remind us to trust in God. He hears and he will deliver. Thank you, Amy Peterson. What do you need to trust God with? What might that look like today? God, sometimes it's hard to wait, but we trust in you and in your deliverance. Please give us patience and allow your greatness and glory to be evident in our lives. Awesome message. I know somebody need to hear that. I know somebody waiting on a new career, relationship, trying to break a bad habit. I mean, I can see so many of us in just those three there. But just remember that he's in control and he's always with us. Y'all, today is Thursday. It's January the 23rd. Welcome all my new subscribers, all those who comment, tell me you you tried my recipe and you like them. It's all love over here, y'all. I'm not over here to be judgmental. I'm not coming on here asking for your assistance to my any kind of funds or anything. I just want to be a beacon of light in a sometimes dark world. So have a blessed day. Much love.